All right, man. So I guess let me tell you something. About these Camaro Mustang dudes, man. You know they can't win off the dig. You get them on digs, and it's like, well, you want to do some roads? I didn't want to do no roads, bro. I really didn't. But it's really nothing else to do right now. It's pretty much dead out here. And why not? Why not? Like I say, I'm still getting familiar with the car and the power shifters and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna let the car do what it do. I mean, it's only fair that I give him a couple rows. I knew he was gonna ask for it. You know, we was done racing. We talked about it, and he was like this, you wanna get some rows in? I really didn't, but we're gonna go ahead and get a couple rows in. What'd you say? Hey, 40s, what we doing?
I think we could do 40, 60, whatever we have enough space.
Yeah, so we only
doing 2 rows.
Yeah, we only doing 2 rows, nothing crazy. Yeah. We not, you know, on the highway doing 1,000 rows and shit like that.
Whatever we get in this footage,
yeah. We did do 40. We honestly probably just do 2 40s. It really don't matter to me. 2 40s, a 40 and 50. Yeah, so like I say,
so we have the
2019 stock Challenger Scatpack. Only mod is an intake, straight pipe, nothing else. Bone stock 2019 Mustang 50 GT stock. All you got is X pipe, no performance parts. So you know, we're just gonna see how the cars perform against each other. Intake, basically stock, nothing added. Rows, we're gonna get like 2 rows in. 40. I just say we're probably gonna do 2 40s because it's just easier that way. We don't got it's definitely a long road to do higher speeds, but we're just gonna probably do 40 just to, you know, keep it at a minimum, nothing too crazy. And that's pretty much it, man. Definitely check out the dig videos if you didn't already, you know, because y'all know what the Scat do on digs, man. But you know, I'm gonna give him his rows because I'm gonna be fair. All right, man, you ready? If you're not already, go ahead and follow my boy, man, Fast Life Rush. You know, he got Camaro SS, 2SS, and he got a Mustang 50. He about to go crazy on his build. If you see my previous videos, you know he got headers. That's just the beginning, man. E85 headers, intake, he got all that shit coming. If you want to see what that look like on a Mustang, you trying to build a Mustang, definitely check him out. If you got Camaro SS, 2SS, any Camaro, check him out, man. He got mods and, you know, reviews and shit like that, flybys, man. We'll go ahead and get into this race real quick. Get these rows in. I'll see that B, man. Let me close the door. I hate that beep noise. This shit ain't loud worth nothing, boy. Hey, yo, you ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, you know where we going, right? Oh, just follow me.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
You know where we going?
Yeah, so we're gonna go down and then come back up.
To the Losi Street.
Yeah,
you know where it's at?
Straight up.
I'm gonna follow you then.
All right.
Let me see, he don't know where you're going, dog. I don't know why my shit, I got half tank of gas and that shit say 73 miles. That's probably because I'm in track mode, I don't know, but I'll go ahead and get these roads in, man. Oh shit, man, it's looking spooky out here for sure. Yeah.
You gonna hump or?
I'll hump. We pretty much gotta get the 40 quick and just do it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright. Alright, let's... Huh?
40 or 50?
Wherever you honk at, that's what... I'm just gonna... 40, just 40. Yeah, you honk it. That's it, man. Y'all see the rows. So we basically did 240 rows, and basically I was you know, rolling off that 40. I was getting him, and as we kept going and going and going, he'd definitely catch up and get me at the end, you know. And then we was running out of space, so shit, I let off. If you seen the speed, I was going at like 1 something. So once I hit 1 something and we was running out of space, bro, I was letting off that shit. Yeah, I don't fucking bucket.
The Mustang, that shit just keep flying.
Yeah. You see, hey, you see, when we first take off, I was getting you.
Yeah, the first, you get the torque instantly.
Yeah.
He gives him just a hit because of the torque.
Yeah.
At 40 rolls too, or Scatpack best roll. I don't know what the best roll for the Mustang is. I don't know if it's 50 or 60.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, that top end, it just keeps pulling.
Yeah, exactly.
It was a good run, bro. Those two were good.
Hey,
runs.
cause look, the first time I was like, oh, I got this fool, but then you started coming, I was like, oh,
that's just
yeah. And once he passed me, I pretty much, you know, I let off at that point.
Yeah.
The second row, I'm trying to remember, but if you seen, I tried to do the paddle shifter thing. Basically, you keep it in regular, you pass 40, you hold the paddle shifter, it drops it down to 40, and you switch it back to automatic, and it just takes off for you. I couldn't get it the first time, so the second time I basically just let the car do it itself. So there y'all go, man. Y'all see it's basically stock cars. We wanted to definitely get some stock races in because he got performance miles coming, I got performance miles coming, so definitely want to show y'all what the stock is.
Like the Scatpack perform too, like I never got a good race with a good Scatpack.
Yeah, I tell you what, he didn't race some Scatpacks, and you know, I would watch it and I'd be like, man, bro, what are y'all doing? He wasn't about to come and just walk me, boy, hell nah. But
that race actually gave me some competition. With how you guys can see how that Mustang at the top end, that thing just moves like crazy.
Yeah.
Man. And the long range torque on these cars are great as well. So man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely two amazing cars. Definitely good to come out here. Make sure you subscribe to Scatpack channel, Instagram.
Exactly. Give me the 5K. I want 5K by the end of this month easily, for sure. In 2 weeks, actually, in 2 weeks or some shit like that. But that's it, man. Go ahead and end the video. Definitely check out everything we did. Anytime our boy come to Vegas, we gonna do shit, man. This mainly the point he be coming. He came to get his headers, and we said, why not do this, that, and the third? So we definitely brought y'all at least 3, 4 videos, 5, shit, I don't know. I don't know if this is the 5th one, the 3rd one. Definitely watch everything we did. Drop a like, hit a comment, and you know, subscribe to the channel. Definitely check out my boy Fast Life Russ. We out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.